Hi, I'm Paul Pelczarski. My wife Jodi and I are getting ready to list this land in Florence, Arizona, and it's 12 acres of commercial land. Folks, you got to take a look at this. You've got on the east side, it fronts the 79 highway. That's a great way. On the north side, you can get from Mesa, from Apache Junction, from Globe, down to Tucson on the south side, and you drive right by this land. 12 acres. Seller will consider selling smaller parcels, and the seller will also consider owner financing on this land. But look at all the frontage you have. All the business driving right by your front door. You just have so many opportunities. I'm on the south side, and in the distance is an advertisement by Burger King. They pay the owners, which basically pays for the taxes every year. So much you can do. Here I am standing below that sign next to my real estate sign. For more information about this land, contact us. Paul and Jodi Pelczarski, we've been a real estate team for over 20 years. We work with every client personally, and we use no assistance. Thank you for looking at this video. Contact us with any questions, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.